WeLab Debit Card. One numberless card to rule them all. Any spending with WeLab Debit Card is deducted from your account balance, so you know where your money is going and can have better control over your spending. With our numberless physical card, you won't have to worry about your card credentials being compromised. Online shopping with virtual debit card. Your virtual debit card is instantly ready once your account is open. Just tap on the debit card icon and you'll see it. When shopping online, click on the little eye icon. Once you verify your identity, your debit card details will be displayed. All of your transactions will appear instantly in the app, so you know exactly where your money is going. Use physical debit card for card presence transactions and ATM withdrawal. Select Request Physical Card on the debit card page. Once your account is open, we'll deliver your card to your mailing address. To activate your card, log into the WeLab Bank app, select Activate Card on the debit card page, and scan the QR code. You can even set a daily transaction and ATM withdrawal limit. With your physical debit card, you can swipe and shop through the Mastercard network, or withdraw cash at JETCO ATMs. If you lose your card, you can report your lost card and request for a new one directly through the app. Do it all with WeLab Debit Card, whether it's shopping or getting cash. Download now. Open up to a new world of banking.